Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fried glass noodle with shiitake mushroom. I have fresh glass noodle here. I bought it from Thailand. I have 2 eggs, some garlic, about half a cup of minced pork. You can use minced pork or minced chicken, or you can even use prawns. I have some cabbage, some chili, half of the tomato, a bit of shredded carrot, about 5 to 6 pieces of shiitake mushroom, spring onions, and those are the oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, pepper and salt. So I have 2 eggs here and just put it aside. Alright, I'm just using a quarter of 500 grams of the glass noodles. So if you're using the dry glass noodles, then you need to soak it until the glass noodle becomes soft. But for this one, you don't need to soak it. Just put in the oil in the pan. About 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Alright, I use about 2 tablespoons of the small garlic from Thailand. So I crush the garlic without removing the skin. While waiting for the garlic to cook, I'm going to go ahead and marinate the meat. So I'm just putting in a dash of pepper, just a pinch of salt. Right, so we're going to put the meat aside. Okay, the garlic is already ready, and I'm going to remove the garlic from the pan first. In the pan, we still have some oil and some garlic, so I'm going to put in the meat together with the shiitake mushroom. And I'm going to put in a bit more oil, a pinch of salt on the egg, just beat it, and just pull. So we fried meat together with egg, and I'm going to put in all the vegetables. So the cabbage in, and the chili, carrot. Stir fry first. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, a little bit of sesame seed oil, so I'm going to stir fry. Alright, the vegetable is almost soft, and I'm going to put in the glass noodles. When we put in the glass noodle, we add a bit of water, and I'm putting in a bit more of the oyster sauce on the glass noodles. 2 more teaspoons. A drop of the dark soy sauce. I'm going to cover the lid just to let the glass noodle to absorb the water, and it will cook. Just stir. It's going to be slightly wet at the beginning, but once the glass noodle have absorbed the water, so it should be dry. If we don't put water, else the glass noodle won't be cooked. So it's almost done, and I'm going to put in the tomato and some spring onions. Okay, it is soft. It's enough taste, and I'm just put in half teaspoon of sugar. Just a couple of stir. And then we are done. Simple and easy stir-fry glass noodle with shiitake mushroom. It is done. Now I will switch off the heat and I will pour in back the garlic, and we are done. It is very tasty, enough flavor of everything. It's a very nice stir-fry glass noodle. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click that like button and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe for more of my cooking video. Thank you and bye bye.